Thanks everyone. I would like to show you the SAIS dashboard and GIS framework, which basically involves Silverlight, Bing SDK, and any database background. So these are the basic KPIs. You've got your year-to-date revenue, your immediate revenue, your forecast, your pipeline, and so on, and you have the map. But the cool thing is that over here, you can just go in and hover over a particular region, and you'll get the metrics for that. Now, let me show you something. I go ahead and click on Business Health, and it opens up the highest level of organization. So right now, we are at the worldwide level. So it's basically going to show me the chart data of the distribution of revenue across all of the levels. What you can also do is change to the grid view, and you can actually see the data as well. This data can be exported to Excel or to CSV, and you can go back to the chart view again. Now you want to know what exactly is the breakdown of Central and Eastern Europe. You can go and click in, the map basically zoomed in, and everything changes around it. And you can go ahead and mouse over this as well. Now you want to know what the CE cluster 2 contains. You go in and you get the Eastern Europe countries and so on, and those appear in the chart here as well. Now if you zoom out, you go back to the previous level and you're at the worldwide level again. Everything basically adjusts to the level at which you were, and you get relevant data that gets displayed. If you didn't want to click through and go through all the levels, all you need to do is basically hover over the map. You get a new chart in there with your Central and Eastern Europe data. Now, if you want to go here to your data grid, let me choose a different one, Latin America. You just got to click on it and you get your Latin America data. Any level of drill down is possible. It's infinite. You can just keep going further and further and further, and then you can just zoom up and you will get the congregated data. And the cool thing is that the front end does not know where the data is coming from. The data can come from anywhere. Julie can get a different flavor of this dashboard. Sam can get a different flavor. Rebecca can get a different flavor. So it's based on user profile. Other things that you can do, you can basically filter on all of these things. So you've got your different products, you've got your time frames, you've got your segments, subsegments, and so on. So any number of filters can be added. Let me just show you a simple filter of time frame. As you can see on the left over here, where I have the metrics, you can create a logic to show if you're doing well in that region or not. So a green basically represents the fact that you're doing really well. An orange, no, okay, it's fair enough, and a red means you got to buck up. What you can also do is basically click this button and you get everything in one full region. And you can maximize the space by clicking this. It's a smooth transition out, and you're doing this. So you get your entire space for however you want it. Your transitions are really nice, so you can get your data the way you want it. And all kinds of charts are possible right now. So all this is basically Silverlight. So Silverlight 4 has just been released, and it's really exciting. The kind of things, the intuitiveness with which you can actually work with, it's pretty awesome.